We are getting cabinet. Project, project, project. Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Charles Angels. Today we're going to put a cabinet together, a home for our babies. So our luxury goodies are gonna go onto this cabinet. So I'm excited for you to see it. It's going to be a time-lapse thing because it's gonna be taking forever if I'm going to let it go on its natural course. So we're going to make sure that it's going to be in a fast pace mode so that it's going to be quicker. So anyway, this is Charles, California. Let's go and build this cabinet up together. This is what we're working on. I already did some panels on this one. And then this one too. So that's that. Here's my manual that I'm working on. And then now we're gonna go on to the second stage of it. I'm on the page 6. And then this one has about 34 pages. So yeah, now we're going to get, there's 2 boxes on this one. The other box is on this side. I'm going to pull this out. In today's video, I'm using a DJI Go. That one is the one who's following me left and right. So yeah, it's kind of like an automatic thing. I got that one from a coworker of mine. Thank you very much, Dennis, for providing me the DJI Go. Because of that, it stabilizes my movement quicker and in a natural way. So which is really nice. Thank you for that. It helps me a lot. Foundation done. Ow! I hit my head. There we go. I finished it. I combined it together. There we go. Now we put it all together like this. The second thing that we're gonna do is we're going. So this is what we're trying to do now. Here. I'm gonna be behind you guys, but you see what I'm doing already. The finishing touches! Finally. This has gray hardware, like the holder, but probably we're gonna change it to something nicer. We're gonna go to Home Depot to do that. So this is the color of it, and it's gray. I think like that. Yay! We finished last! Yay! It's done! Yay! Here's the finished product of it. Yay! Now I just need to put some shelves inside. Yay! So I put 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves inside. And when you open it, there's the home for our babies. So, because I put everything here. So yeah, so like for example, this one is gonna go of course here, right? I'm so excited! And then this one is gonna go here, definitely. Oh my god, this is crazy! Yay! And then our key pals. He has his key pal. It's gonna go here, the bottom, with a dust bag. And then this one is gonna go there on the dust bag. And then there's these other ones. And then this one. Small SLGs, right? Needs to be there. And then we have this one, but this is my mom's, and I need to review. I have that. It's a fake one. I have to review that. Oh my god! It's coming along! Thank you, baby! And I have these ones. This one are the lights, so that one will light up. So yeah, I'm going to definitely put this one on the bottom part of this one, so it will light up each. So that's the plan. I'm going to figure out how am I going to use it. But for the meantime, this is it. So yeah, I'm excited. So now let's figure out how this lights on gonna work. So we do have 3 LEDs in here, and then you attach it with this one. There's a plug on here, and then this one is the connector to connect each one of it, and then there's the plug. So I'm going to read this one for the meantime, and then I'll keep you posted. So, so here it is, my newly assembled cabinet for my Louis Vuitton babies. So here you go. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 compartments on this one. I put some lights already. So there's lights, and then probably I'm going to get put another light in the middle, and then probably on here. So it's still work in progress that I'm going to do. But you might be asking, gonna be asking me about if I'm going to make this one again. Yes, definitely I'm going to make this one again. Definitely for that, for sure. because this one is for my baby. So yeah, definitely I will do that, but not for the meantime, because as you can see, I think I do have enough. And then I covered all my collections already are on here. My Louis Vuitton collections, it's already here. So I would not need another cabinet for another, probably eventually, but not right now, because also we don't have enough enough space in our office. I was so blessed that my partner was able to just go with the flow with me with my Louis Vuitton addiction, and he approves of this particular cabinet. It's a consensus of him and I, and then yeah, because this one is a display cabinet, and then what I really love about this one is that it has glass on it, so I can just take out all the dust bags of all the bags that I have, and then able to really display it because it's protected, because it does have the cabinet glass door, so it will minimize the dust that's coming in, so which is perfect. And then also the thing that I like about this one, and then the one that he was saying, is that make it white, so that it will really emphasize what's inside, so which is, he's right about that, because initially I was thinking of a brown one, a dark brown cabinet, which is matching what we have here. But he was telling me that no, go with the white. And then I was kind of like thinking of another cabinet that's glass all around. But he was saying that this one is much better because this one is wood, which is matching with what we have here in the office. So that's why we were able to go to this one. You might be asking, what is the hard part on doing this one? The hard part on doing in assembling this one is putting the doors, because there's three hinges on this one. One, two, and three on the bottom. Those are the ones that's difficult, because you have to do it at the same time. It needs to click and snap at on this one, on the part that, because there's two parts, cabinet, and then there's one part on the door. So this one, the one from the cabinet door, needs to click on to the one in the cabinet. If that one didn't do it, and then you're going to have a hard time. So he helped me to hold it and snap it. So yeah, that's the only hard part of this one that we're kind of like have had a hard time with. We went to IKEA, as you can see, and then this is the one that we bought, the hemness one. I don't have the specifics of this one, but I will show it to you. I will put that one in the link below. But I do have this is the one that we used for the lights. The lights, it's like three separate thing, as you can see on here. And then you just connect it to each other, and then there's a switch. So there's a switch underneath that. I need to still organize those. There's a switch that you can turn on and off, and then eventually probably I'm gonna go to Home Depot to to buy something like it's automatically turning it on and off. Cause look at this one, it's so pretty that it's on, it's lit, it's like really for it's kind of like a department store type of thing, which is really cool. I love that. And then yeah, so all my collections for the meantime are on here. Not all of it, because I still have my bag, my other bag, my office bag on the sofa, and then all my some of my SLGs are in there too. So I'm going to fix that and then put it all together on here. And then soon I'm going to have, as soon as I get my sack plat, which is at the Louis Vuitton store right now because they're repairing it. As soon as I get that, I'm going to have a uh, Louis Vuitton collection for the year of 2019. So check that out soon. Stay tuned on that one. I'm going to do that one soon. And I really love it. I really recommend that one for you guys. I'm going to show you some options, give you some options on my description below of what you should get at IKEA. It's so affordable. So yeah, there's affordable ones in there too. This one is probably like about $350, and then the lights is about $26 each pack. So yeah, so not bad for a display cabinet that you're going to put it all together. So yeah, so I really recommend this one, and I'm sure that I'm going to get another one in the next collection that I'm going to have. Anyway, thank you very much again for watching and for staying up. We assembled this one for about 2.5 hours. I was so excited yesterday that I was just putting it all together. Once we got back from IKEA, I laid it down on the floor, and then I was trying to assemble it already. And then after like 2.5 hours, we finished it. So yeah, and then it's kind of like a fun thing to do for couples like you, or if you don't have somebody, it's a nice thing to do too. Yeah, if you do have any question, suggestion, or violent reaction, let me know. Comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, because as I was looking at my analytics, the problem is people are watching but they're not subscribed. So if you can just hit the subscribe button, that would be appreciated. And then the bell too, so that you're able to know if I do have new videos for you guys. And then yeah, and then like this video if this one interests you. That would be appreciated too. Thank you very much for watching. I love you all. I will see you again in the next video. I'll see you again. Bye.